Hello, I'm Eliana and welcome to the second episode of the LCYC Cookie Challenge. To introduce the teams, to my left we have the
Flip the Patties,
and to my right we have the
Fearless Wildcats.
And today's challenge we will be having a sandwich challenge, which will be scored on creativity and taste and presentation. We will have 15 minutes on the clock and begin.
You're each going to make 2 sandwiches, okay? Think about creativity. Remember, these are for adults. There is an avocado. Adults love avocados.
Butter. Toast it. Toast the healthy one. Toast it. Everything is better toasted.
Yeah. My thought process was to have good taste and like how to make the plate like look good, so like we could get like an extra bonus point.
My thoughts were, we ain't gonna win. Did you see our food? Our food looked like some chipmunks made it. We put some apples and some honey, and we got some crackers, guacamole. Mwah!
Yeah. They're definitely gonna win because healthy.
Sweet and I don't know.
Healthy.
We ended up making like a healthy sandwich and then a sweet sandwich. So we put it in a toaster, added avocado as avocado spread and lettuce and tomato, and then we also added like cheese and ham and stuff.
Here is the Fierce Wildcat.
We had like a pretty good thing. We made like 2 sandwiches, which that was an extra bonus point.
And this one's the healthy.
This is the healthy one. Creativity presentation. That was really good. I'm much more of a savory than a sweet person. That was the best thing I've eaten today. My favorite thing in the world to eat is probably Cheez-Its and guacamole.
Yeah.
There are Cheez-Its in the sandwich.
This is a
I've always had Cheez-Its on the side of my sandwich. It never occurred to me to put them in the sandwich. I thought it was really hard to decide. This was really super creative. Both of you were really, really very creative. The thing that swayed my decision was really presentation more than anything, because the taste was wonderful.
I agree, it was also very hard to decide. Both teams, you guys did wonderful. The presentations were great. I love seeing that creativity, and everything was delicious.
Well, it was really close, you guys. Fierce Wildcats, you won.
The judges' results were really good, and as you guys expected, we won. But I think that their reaction was really good. I feel really good about it. I feel proud too.
we lost, but they said it was good. In my heart, I'm a winner. I wouldn't make that sandwich ever again.